This is a proof of concept demonstration of the Toppings inventory and shipping management system from eDimensional. Toppings is a modular, cloud-based application that does not replace your existing operational systems, but rather adds features and functionality not typically found even in expensive platforms. It is designed for small to mid-sized businesses who stock and ship physical goods to improve efficiency, reduce errors, provide more transparency into the day-to-day shipping operation and inventory status, and enhance customer satisfaction. Toppings will easily integrate with popular e-commerce platforms such as OS Commerce, Magento, Amazon Seller Central, and more, as well as provide data to your accounting systems such as QuickBooks. The initial phase of Toppings will include three components: shipping, inventory, and returns. The primary features of the shipping module include the ability to verify that all items packed match what is listed on the packing slip, automatically take digital photos of each order at the time it is packed, and identify and track the employee who packs the shipment. First, we link to your database to acquire the order numbers and products included on that order. By keying in or scanning the order number, our system immediately creates a checklist of the items to be included on that order. As each item is keyed in or scanned, it checks it off the list and plays an audible tone for correct.
Alright.
If an item does not match, a different tone is played signifying an incorrect item.
No!
Once all items are picked correctly, the user keys in or scans their own personal code, which logs them as the shipper for that order. Additionally, this triggers a standard webcam to take a picture of the items that were picked as they are about to be packed and sealed. If, for any reason, the items are packed without all items being verified as correct on the packing list, for example, one item drop ships from somewhere else, or an item has no barcode but the shipper knows it's correct, it prompts the user to be certain they want to override. It also then logs that order in a report where a shipping manager can see all overrides for that day, along with a picture of what actually went in the box, ensuring that no mistake was made and making any corrections if necessary before the package leaves the warehouse. All photos and shipper data is also searchable by order number, so anyone can pull up a photo of that order. For example, if a customer claims there was a mistake, you can see both what items went into the box and who shipped it. Additionally, we offer the ability to include a photo of that order and the shipper name if desired in an email sent to the customer for added personalization and wow factor. Next, we have created an efficient way to ensure your inventory is accurate. Throughout the course of a year, items in your warehouse can get damaged, misplaced, or permanently lost, or counts can be off due to accounting discrepancies. Because typically a physical inventory is done as infrequently as once a year, this means that there are many opportunities to create a backorder situation where items that are ordered are not available to ship, or even an overstock situation where inventory is sitting on a shelf tying up your cash and your website may show it's out of stock and not available for sale. Additionally, a physical inventory may be so time-consuming that you have to close your business while it's in progress or pay for additional staff time. By comparison, a cycle counting procedure allows you to count a small amount of inventory at very frequent intervals, often without any additional staff time or business downtime, and resulting in your inventory getting counted multiple times throughout the year, ensuring your counts are far more accurate. We're making it easy to create a cycle counting process. By linking to your inventory system, we can see what your system expects to have in stock. Each day, or as often as you like, you can instruct your staff to select a portion of your warehouse to count, from as little as one shelf to many rows of stock. They can either key in or scan every item they see without any paper records or inventory lists. Toppings automatically records everything counted that day and the date on which it was counted. It doesn't even matter if the user goes out of order, finds another unit of one SKU after starting counts on a different SKU, and doesn't require them to manually record anything. When the count for that day is complete, Toppings then checks this against your inventory database, and if it's a match, then you're done for that item. Any counts with a discrepancy show both the expected and actual count in a report, so that you can attempt to locate the missing inventory or cause for discrepancy, and if necessary, adjust inventory in your system that day so that it's now accurate. Uncounted items also appear in a report, that is sortable by date range so that you can view all items in your system that have not been counted within whatever period you find acceptable, and you can go check those items specifically. Lastly, we offer a return merchandise authorization and management module to handle the tedious aspects of reverse logistics. A customer can submit an RMA request online. In the RMA management area, you can see all pending RMA requests as well as all RMAs at various other status levels, including received, awaiting credit, and completed. An employee can set up template responses to the customers, including variations for restocking fees and other details. Additionally, they can assign a unique RMA number. When they update the request, an email is automatically sent to the customer with return instructions. All correspondence and notes are tracked throughout the life of the RMA so that there is transparency across all departments. When an RMA is received, the receiver can easily pull up that RMA by number and update the details, ensuring the item was received in the expected condition, and easily add the items that were returned to the RMA details. We offer the ability to automatically pull all details of that product, including price, to make it easier to calculate the total credit due. Employees can also manually add RMAs if a user sends something back unauthorized. Once the RMA is received, accounting can issue a credit and mark it complete. We are actively seeking your feedback as we transition from proof of concept to fully developed software as a service product. We also have many more fantastic features and modules in development for future phases. We look forward to creating the most user-friendly, practical product to improve your operation.